Lenge Khamsang, Tharingi Nyendu Sika Pepatingi Lenge Samalol Kasushigi Year. Welcome to another Friday grammar class with Kizom. Tharingi Resa Pasang Gitadu Zinda Tinanglola Lenge Nganzuki. Essential English Grammar Ki Lopse, you should subke Bata Zakupa, Ni Tangi, Unit 28 and 9. Kizilenge Sugi Nganzu Nyamdola, Chik Resa Pasang Kadu Baine, Essential English Grammar Ki Lopse, Tige Changi Yopaina. Tharingi Nyendu Yamutin Sirona and Shuain, Kizitama Tambo Pejo do Chariduna, Khamsang Yamingla Kizom see you, and so Resa Pasang Kadu Yimba Chito Chito Shidi Chege Tola, Maranzu channel Tola, Essential English Grammar, Sewa Raymond Murphy Ki Loktep Tine, Datu Giloptin Ching Chinitagi Yore, Hengisu Loktep Chik Shisha with Tone, that is on Tugu Paina, Mazu channel Tola, Injik subscribe Narana Shuai, Teme Banganzuki channel Tola Chidan is Tawan Pasang Kati Yimba Chito Chito Shidi Chege Tola, Yendung Ligi Yore, Hengisu Pecation Yopatam Pegaton, Inji Jandu Paina, Injik on the channel Tola subscribe Narana, Lasso Tagotugi. Lasso linge taringe tanda ko tsugi taring anzu ki unit 28 the 9 ni di tai thangbo anzu 28 di nanglo la will shell ki to tan thangbo de chen ni badle ya will shell ra re ni shu ku padi ta thangbo kari she wor la origina the part na che si origina kari che de do Sarah goes to work every day. She is always there from 8:30 until 4:30. Sarah la pumudi khatu ine ya exam lega chiga tu res mochutu kepane shida chaga badal lega chini digres. It is 11 o'clock now. Sarah is at work. Thanda chutu chukchik retu chezang mo lega la yore is at work. Thanda yores. At 11 o'clock yesterday, khasan chutu chukchik la she was at work. Mo lega la Dingela yore la chidula, Tanda yore la is Dingun la depala was ani 11 o'clock tomorrow she will be at work. Ani sangi chudu chukchigla mo lega la yore la du maung pala will kyablo la to be verb be rang tisha dwara dusche. Tanganzugi shamdel chiginda will la digi wala nganzugi be win come la jodo chini helping verb yang na chajik chik thewarajina nganzuki thunda yuwa dangares maung palati chogres penachina tadi I we you de nyamdola will lani khaptu theache he she it ki gablo layang will che taladu sambola nganzuki pronoun di khalagore chik mangsi khari bayine yang maung pa the che chidula will rang tigres ani ko dune apostrophe llt ra Mare la negative tela will not do parigina won't. Ane I will be, I will win, I will eat, I will come lane karimba ine te chik tiswara. Tima kaptu tidang di check ja kaptu shewarajina. Tiwa imba ina will la helping verb dinge la ti. Ani chepapo su imba ine ande ti ra an nganzugi gablo ki te di tigures. Ra an question mark imba ra tiwa ra. Keja kaptu imba ina full stop ke ra di dus che. Tanganzugi will le the pichu chesana karitungi or lana maung patungi res. Penachashana Sue travels a lot. Sue namgune yama dimdupe manguchi res. Today she is in Madrid. Taringo Madrid ladu. Tomorrow sangi ladu ta is la marwa will la. Tomorrow she will be in Rome. Sangi mo Rome la yores. Next week she will be in Tokyo. Ani jama dundad nang la mo Tokyo la yores. You can phone me this evening. I will be at home. Chirang taring chito ngala phone dang na digres khabar dang na nang la use maung parang chaswara chimagi ke chaswa. Then we leave the old bread in the garden. The birds will eat it. Ani nangi bread phaling ba dunju ma garden nang la yux tumra nang la shadas ro chiu dunju ki sa dugres will eat will ti ani nganju the sawadi eat re dwara chajik de. Ani we will probably go out this evening. Taring chito nganzu chikchina chilo la drawings. Will you be at home this evening? Ta will le the thangbo ti ani chepapo de ti ani te bilen ti dwara tiwarwa de. Taring chito chira nang la your west. Ta I won't be here tomorrow. Nga won't le will not le rwa. Taring chito ngan marsangi nga nang de la me le jorwa. Tinde keja roji cha de yorda. Okay, the ante she mutuniche. Ta si dinanje sida. We do not use will for the things that have arranged or decided to do. Khazan lop se nishta ru zab duin dinang nganzugi maung pa gi keja imba ine ya chik chashi ting sa jo imba ina nganzugi khari tigirlana islani tigirela is mr khari imba ine ya ta kisi o dinero ta jo che sa jo imba ina maung pa gi keja imba ine ya will tigi mare lar darwa maung pa gi che di tigi mare isran tigirla darwa. We are going to the cinema on Saturday la swara are going nganzu tadi chashi ting sarwa chechang nganzu ki sapasang la temu taga join la we will go lan mala wache we are going ani I am not working tomorrow saninga lega chede me ladi chik taju che sagyo rojire ro chechang I won't work lan mala wache de adhikari lan I am not working lan dus shago yores are you going to do the exam chira exam tanga imbe le jor rata di thagju ki keja indu sambola will you do mala wache are you lani going to do the exam lani dus le yores ta shell di kandior lana I dang wi nyamdola mangchewa di will mangpa gi che tuen chedala will matini shell tine an dig de yore lar terwa I shall be late tomorrow lana ngasangi chithasi race ra I think we shall win nganju thop gi race ra will rang la yenda will re the dra re ine I the will pronoun ni nyamdola shall teach you race but do not use shall with you have they it ra pronoun shamba you cho de kunzo he ko she mo it dile de nyamdola will rang tema do shall matina ya yore le choro di will shall gi to dan di che tanga jogi exercise chigin derwa tangbo de kala do Helen is traveling in Europe Helen Europe kora jadi yore fill in the blanks with she was she is and she will be ta dinang lo lang jogi tu khagi pawere yesterday lana khazarwa ani she was in Paris khazang mo Paris la dus tomorrow sanyi mo khwale yore tomorrow she will be in Amsterdam last week depedunta la dusambola she was chazarwa in Barcelona next week jama dunda dilla dusambola will be ra next week she will be in London ta tinde rolenge songi ngawa thukba dimba di duschini theche 28.2 dikharre where will you be write sentences about yourself ta susu korle thile choro I will be lana nga phagela ye rang le ten chene I will probably be lana nga chik chena phagela ye sigire le choro yana I don't know where I will be yana nga khwaye me ngarai ha gume le choro tiche at 10 o'clock tomorrow sangi chutu chuala kuncho karitido I will probably be on the beach or I will be at work or I don't know where I will be ra yana nga beach le yosire chusur le yana nga lega le yosire yana nga ngara ha gume le jorwa 1 hour from now chutu chikchela suso khwale yore dithi le jorwa tangi ngarantina I will probably be at home tidangdi I will probably be at home at midnight tonight taring chuzu gual mare thing chuzu chungni la khwayore le jorwa tine I will be in my bed nga ngara nyasa le yores ra at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon 2 years from now sangi chuzu sumba ani chuzu ni mare loni gijela taring loni la lengi so tia indra khari yore le tidandire chikla ye le chidula I will be chikchina yusigre lela I will probably ngarang kwa me ha kungme le I don't know where I will be la so the 28.3 the will yana want yana yore yana mere le chorwa tingi matis ta kunjo ge example katido don't drink coffee before you go to bed you won't sleep manyang la coffee matun chirangi shurgumare won't will not tani bade are you ready yet kiranta 30 chaswes not yet thandada chamasung larwar tanga jogi di gablo de la khati goyore I dash be ready in 5 minutes yan tanga 5 minutes na le ready char sung nai char masung nai char ki rel na I will be ready in 5 minutes char gi marel na I won't be ready in 5 minutes ani tadina thandada chame ine yan char gi la ge jodi lemburo charu dwara chezang I will lantina yabuda ani I am going away for a few days nga nima kashi chigi chedula 2 years I am leaving tonight nga thari konda thun 2 years so I dash be at home tomorrow tanga sangi nangla khale thari konda thuna sangi nangla yomarwa so I won't be at home tomorrow it dash rain so you don't need to take an umbrella ta kirangi ni to ki go yomare larwa an nga jo kharlage it will rain lare it won't rain lare ni to ki go mena ani won't it won't rain chawa jegumares cheza ni to ki go yomare larwa ngawa de kala do I don't feel very well this evening taringa tichiro dinga yabush ke chorgumindu deu mindusra ta ni padi kala do well go to bed early and nyasa ngau juice ngau nyas ani you dash will feel better in the morning sangi shopai chera tharo dugure la chedula you will feel better in the morning right ta thuba dimba delenge so itu story share da next 28.4 nang kharlar lana right sentences beginning I think I don't think dingi thi ani will won't karim baine khunju gite shegyo to thi lar darwa Diana will pass the exam I think Diana will pass the exam. Diana exit hoigire samle dus. Diana won't pass the exam. I don't think Diana will pass the exam. Ta dela gakpa di don't teacher wa chezang yablo gite di won't mate oche will run tier da. We will win the game la dwara thopgre la ra ani I think we will win the game. Also top series, top gires. Ani tomorrow I won't be here. I won't be here tomorrow. Sanying al dela mailer chezang I don't think club tine tanga samgi mindula ngalsi le swa chezang I don't think I won't lamar I will be here tomorrow lani de bat che next kala do Sue will like her present Sue gi morangi present gagre la chezang I don't think ni go chugura I think club ani Sue will like her present la dusche ani thuba dimba del henge chugi duschine so thapche chiruchi ani ta 28.5 sinang which is right dinginal digo dikhari respond chugi underline chi shagyo del tangbo we will go yana we are going to the theater tonight we have got ticket the ticket mu cha thaju chesa dwa chezang we will go la marwa thaju chesa ba maung ba ige jaina we are going lani dusti gorwa will let the the marwa next kharre what time what will you do or what are you doing tomorrow evening nothing I am free sangi what will you do tomorrow evening rayana what are you doing tomorrow evening sangi gi kecha chik thaju che ro da arrange che godi che ro ko le sambu are you doing lani are doing la dilirwa dusche thine sumbati kala they will go or they are going away tomorrow morning the train leaves at 8:30 ta diyan thaju chesa dwara chezang they are going lani dusche I am sure she will lend or she is lending us some money she is very rich ne tenden yo khogi pesha mogi pesha yerg re la jura chezang dinana thanda thaju ge chamedu she will lend lani dusche tanga pa dikarredo why are you putting on your coat chirangi coat kharichini kyondi use ani I will go out rayana I am going out chilo do thaju che chawarwa cheza I am going out ni dus che ta thubo dimba ge badi lengi so inangle chiruchi andinyam do nganju jinra chawai la so lenge ta nganju lopching mi shu chagu badi ta gi inderwa dinangle yang will shall gi to dan che ta di maung ba gi therang to dan do chi lagur terwa okay del da I will carry it for you ni di kirang che do kiro chi gos ani bye I will phone you tomorrow okay ni sanyi chirang la khabar tang gos sanyi ge ja chimagi ge ja shegi dwara I will let khadu pheju chigiyor la warajina when you offer or decide to do something chik me la chik che go la to the thakju chidu sambola nganju ki will let pheju chigiyor is my bag is very heavy I will carry it for you la dwara nge bag de pe chigo chimbu dula du khogi ropa chigo la du will carry it for you la swara I will phone you tomorrow okay nge sanye chirang la phone tangola ni kunjogi chik kalawore offer doji chigiyor ra dusche often we say samsam nganjogi khari lagorlana I think I will or I don't think I will nge sambal ngi chigi yana nge sambal ngi chigi mare le chyorwa when we decide to do something chik thaju chidu sambal ki nge sambal le ligres yana chigi lab yana main lab tela khunjogi example sumte do I am tired I think I will go to bed early ra I think I will nga thang che dishas chezang nge sambal nga ngau nya duins Nibadala, it's a nice day. I think I will sit in the garden. Tari nimape abudus nga sambala garden madega dugin tumral dega dugins. It's raining. Chawa pap dishas chezang I don't think I will go out. Nya sambala nga chilol dugu me le jorwa. Ta dinang lo la present simple. I go, I phone, I will phone you later da I will go malane I go I phone la present simple diyorwa tige sentence nanglo la khala worlana tigi mare la worda penachina I will phone you tomorrow ni sangi kirang la phone tango la I phone you tomorrow la to dus mare la juro. I think I will go to bed early. Nye sama nga nyaga ngau join la ma to I will go re ma to I go to bed la ni present gi ke chati share yo mares. Ta yang I will le di khari le phujo machi la warajina chik thangboni chik chhe ni le thaju chhe sa warajina yang machi lar tarwa khazang gi lopse nanglo la yore last Friday gi lopse nanglo la I am working tomorrow la yoru thangi to swara lopse nistab ge nanglo la ani dala I will work la ni la yo mare le churo ti dus to rang dos chadiore ta thangi I dang wi nyam dola shall ti chogu yor la swa will gi chabla ta shall I shall we len ti wati dang do di che. Okay, ta dikhalo gorlena. Do you think this is a good thing to do? Do you think this is a good idea? Leisure, ta dendero dig dwe yaku dwe kiransam ge dwe le do yor dendero jim baina khandere du leisure. It's very warm in this room. Shall I open the window? The room dina pe chawadu ani ngi gi gochega le do jor ramang bagi ke jero gan le du shell lan che. Shall I phone you this evening? Yes please. Tare chiro ni kirang la khabar tanga le jor ta dila will malani chega ma chega le dila shell lagi res maung bagi the. I am going to a party tonight. What shall I wear? Nga taring gonda senso jel joins nga khari kyonga le jor khari kyongo yona le di will lan matine shell ti go res. It's a nice day. Shall we go for a walk? Tarinima yabudo angani kumbash kyaga joges. Where shall we go for our holiday this year? Did lo digi kungse nganjungi kwa kimga joge le jurwa. Tene rosche. Laso tang anjo exercise chiginda. Tangbo di karlado complete the sentences using I will lap ani dige verb chik karimba di ma thi le juro. Tangbo carry che kewa do chepa eat sawa send tangwa show tempa sit dewa stay de der kwarang degi ba ina to stay ro juro diche ta tangbo my bag is very heavy ni bag jigo pe chimbu duladi I will carry it for you ni kiran che dul ki goladi I will lani carry la de kunjo thizatwa tangan jo dende roshin ti goyer ta next dikarle do enjoy your holiday chirangi holiday di kyu tang ro chi le jorwa ta dinang lo la khale do thank you la dwara tuji ches ani you a postcard ni kirang la card tang la dwara ani thank you I will lap tini send len le chira send you a postcard ani somebody I don't want this banana ngal banana di mogosra well I am hungry and tangata chodo do songzang I will eat it nye sagi la di la dwara tadine do you want a chair charang la kupya goes no it's okay go mesrata on the floor sala la dwara I will sit on the floor chaswara tende roleng ezogi next sum dinang le chirochi ta 29.2 dinang kharla dulana sentence di pardon yang che ani kharilu gorlana I think I will yangna I don't think I will nge sabang nge chigi yangna nge samba chigi me le jorwa chati kharilana buy nyowa go dowa have yopa play Tamachawa ra thangbo kunjo kharlado it's cold today tharing thangmudus I don't think I will go out nge samanga chilol dugumes tani badela I am hungry nga thogu togdus I dash something to eat tanga I think I tidwara I think ani I will have something eat malani have something ra kunjogi option nang have tidwara seba I feel tired nga thang chigidus ani I think I won't sigi main layer the ra de la chimutse wati dwara thine I don't okay I think I won't dus layer marro I don't think layer ra cheza di dus okay comment section okay I don't think keja labna inde chin lab la do shamba de digor the ra ine kuran do dus lab la dwara I don't think lab ani I will layer ma do I won't layer ra I won't play lap ani tennis dus che ani shiba de ling zo inang le chiruchi ta dige nanglo ne digo de khare re do ta jobs I phone yang na I will phone you tomorrow okay le dwara I will phone you tomorrow ra I'll phone you is right le dwa ni badala I have not done the shopping yet ni tan da nyopcha je juins I do it later re yang na I will do it later re ra chale chi le jo ra de la thank you jal chik chen la decide che origina will gap go res thangbo ni chen la thaju chisana ani is mr ki to tang the res. I like sport nga chamu go use. I watch a lot of sports on TV re. I will watch a lot of sports on TV re. Tadi I watch tagi ye la rwa. I need some exercise nga lujon this ko dus. I think I go for a walk re yana. I will go for a walk. Di I will go for a walk re rwa. Ta dinde dolengi chuge ngapa thukba dimba din nangle chiruchi. Ta next. Sorry. 29.4 nang khari shidu shall I la di rosh chigores shall I la di option ro ta di nang lo la thangbo turn on ani turn off open make ani some sandwiches television light lene konjuge option te de dwara thangbo di kardo it's very warm in this room the room di nang la pe chaw chaw de la du konjuge shall I lab tine open phijuchi tine the window len phijuchi cha dwara nge gigon chega le ji tanganjo gi changman nangla shall I ni da go chu go yo parirwa ta the program isn't very good temo yapu mindu larwa chesan ta ta khalere shall I love turn off lana sewarwa television TV shall I turn off the television nani tusle che I am hungry nga thogu togu dularwa shall I love ane make lana sowa some sandwiches love and question mark lerwa tusche an lengi chogi last chiruchi the last chik pachigyan re thangbo de ro chik pachigyan share ro thangi shall I le ro ta the shall we lan tier de ro lengi so idi su su chik taro chi ro khandiste tu gu tu mindo la so ani lopsin thawai la so linge taringi nyendung derang zami taringi nyendung linge so la pen tok po tok to do chung yani ro chi ye ma pe nge la subscribe nang yu ne injek subscribe nang ni peruna Instagram thola follow nang me ba nang gi handle de la shagi pagila chik pen ni chi siruna now join follow nang nang da len chi la so an linge thangma jago chin shu go ngachim de inji jang ni shuru na